So today we're gonna play. Oh my god! Like this is like now my favorite game. Better, and it's better than Minecraft. I promise. And I'm surviving this. Oh my god! How would I? Come on! I just don't want to die. That's it. Ooh. Will someone have hit me? It's just the best buddy bump. Somebody tried to kill me. Come on, is there nothing? I want to see if there's a guy. Oh my god! Where's that guy?
Brilliant!
Oh my god! My first try! Huh! Who can be like me? I'm like the best player in the world. After like so many... Yeah. What's happened if I lost? Never mind about it. Oh my god! This is way bigger when I thought like... Bro, this is just what I was thinking about. And there's a guy who's Japanese or Chinese. I don't want to jump myself. Yeek! Who could be like a pro like me? Oh, this Japanese guy. So, oh my god! You just made it easy. Ha, take that. You didn't make me fall into them. Ha. Ha. Oh my god, that was like really close. This guy's way better. Ha! This is my... I'm happy. Okay, now it's time for my awesome situation. And it's gonna be yes. So now it's gonna be time to... I don't want to cook. Oh, I want to buy this. Anything? Oh, I want legendary ones. Okay, I'm gonna try this. No, I don't want that. Oh my god! Oh my god! Bro, what? Why did I need to jump for that? Bro, I just have to quit it. I'll come back in. Thanks so much. See, this is gonna be easy. Who needs this? Who needs this? What the work did this do? What the hell should I do that for? You? Huh. What did I have to keep doing that. Now who would be a pro like me? This is fun. I'm also a beginner. Like those guys, they don't even know how to jump though. Wow. Not bad. Bro, why do you need the rockets for? Is it gonna make it easy for you? Easy, just step. Now who needs to be a pro like me? I'm just already a pro. Hey, you don't need to need. You don't need to jump like that. You just saved my life. Wow. Wait, who? Get boy? What? Huh? What? I just do. What have I done? Oh wow, that was like a great. That's $1 million thought. Oh my god. Oh my. What's this $1 million cat? Hey yo, what? What? What did it? Bruh. I'm gonna take this. You cannot even think. Huh. You couldn't even beat me. Whoa, that was $1 million cat. Oh my god. This just made me fall down on the roof. Oh my god. Good. Hey, yo, bro, what did you just lead me to? Go. Yeah, take this. Whoa, this just made me fall down. Oh my. Bro, now look at the feet. I'm like the perfect guy. Huh. I just did a jump. Now what? Hey, you what? Oh, bro, that was cool. Bro, why? Bro, stop it. I want to do something. Jack, bam, bop now. Take that. You're just gonna do nothing. You're a nutcracker. I'm gonna take this up. What do I have for today? I wanna buy this. Now let's see what I can do. Let's see what you can do. But because I'm this the dumb. I'm in $1 million cat, bro. Look at me. I'm just a millionaire. Bro! I just want to name my name. Can I name my name? I'm gonna do something. I'm gonna pull you down. Ha! Ha! Take that! Boom you! Caramel! Let's go. Let's do it! Oh my god! Oh my! What does anybody need this? This is easy. This is easy in my nutcracker. It's even easy for me. Who needs to jump? Who needs to survive? Who needs to cry? Yes, jump. Oh, great. I guess I need to cry. Okay, thank you guys for. I hope you like and subscribe. Comment down below. Stay calm, stay happy. That's sweet.